Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make a YouTube page from the scratch. Recently lots of people make their own YouTube channels. Some people have no idea what to do and what's the process. This video is for helping you from A to Z how to make a YouTube page, including the branding and how to make a new channel from your Google account and X, Y, and Z. The first of all, what you need to do is you need to think about what is your subject to make your videos. So if you think your video is making cooking, for example, this is my interested things that I would like to make videos. Basically how to make meals and the food and X, Y, and Z. But before make the name, I should research first because I'm pretty sure lots of people interested in the same subject and making lots of cooking classes and the YouTube videos. So I would like to keep mind and just have a look quickly. Okay, my idea in this time, I'm going to create a new channel which is called Under $5 Mail. So I just had quick check. Anyone have the same name? That's because the YouTube algorithm probably confuse if you have the same name with the other YouTubers. It seems like doesn't have anyone who has the same name. I can find that there are lots of people say the $5 meal challenges and $5 cookings and or they just eat under $5 meal for 3 days, like challenges and X, Y, and Z. So that's fine. I can use $5 meal, and also I will quickly check like any other cooking tutorials or cooking YouTubers. This YouTuber have more than 16 million subscribers, so sorry, just to quick have a look to get some tips. I can tell this YouTuber, this is kind of like Insta format, so I guess this YouTuber put in the Insta, the video as well. After finish your research, now you can make your Google account. So go to Google. I will make my YouTube title as $5 mail. So first name is $5 and the last name is a mail. Once you put your Gmail account name and the email address, then you can go to the next. And then verify your phone number. After you verified, you can see the page Welcome to Google, and you can also see your email address on the top. And the rest of them, you can add your recovery email and fill up your day of the birth and your gender and etc. You can choose get more information from there to your mobile phone, so you can skip or yes I mean. I agree. When you go to Google again, you will see your new account on the top. Now it's time to create your YouTube page. So go to the YouTube. Now you're on the YouTube page and you can see your account. Okay, so now I'm going to make my new YouTube page. So go to the top. Just a simple way upload video, and it just says your creator journey begins. So I will go to get started and use your name as your Google account. You could go to the custom name, but the reason I created the Google account and same as a YouTube account, it's easier to make the match the same name. Cool. Now you have on your channel. Also, you can upload your picture on here, and also you can add your channel description. You can also add your website and next one is it. If you have your Facebook page, you can add here, or Insta, or Twitter. At this time, I didn't make anything else, and we are totally beginner and new. We just pause at this stage. Save and continue. Now it is. It's ready to upload your video, and all you need is just to decorate your channel art and the logo. My YouTube video also have another tutorial that how to make the logo for YouTube and the channel art. If you want to have a look what's the process, you can have a look my next videos. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope it helps to make your new journey over YouTube. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.